In the vibrant landscape of 2024, the e-commerce revolution continues to dominate. With technology at our fingertips, the dream of building an online store from scratch without a budget is not only possible, but it's also becoming a norm. Starting from scratch isn't just a guide, it's a step-by-step blueprint for aspiring entrepreneurs ready to carve their niche in the digital marketplace. Join us as we unfold the secrets to launching your online store with zero investment, harnessing the power of free resources and innovative strategies. Welcome to the era where technology empowers dreams and entrepreneurship knows no bounds. Building an online store in 2024 with zero budget is not just a fantasy. It's a viable venture for anyone with determination and access to the internet. This extended 4-chapter guide goes beyond the basics, diving deeper into the nuances of establishing a successful online presence. We're here to navigate you through each step, from conceptualization to execution, ensuring that your journey in e-commerce is grounded in practicality and inspired by innovation. Chapter 1. Setting the foundation. Ideation and planning your journey begins with an idea. Whether it's a unique product or a new spin on something existing, your idea needs to solve a problem or fulfill a need. Conduct market research, understand your target audience, and carve out your unique selling proposition. Understanding your market is crucial. Use tools like Google Trends and social media insights to identify what your potential customers are looking for. Analyze competitors to find a gap you can fill. Choosing the right platform. Dive into the world of free e-commerce platforms. Explore options like WooCommerce for WordPress, Magento open source, and Shopify's basic plans. These platforms offer customizable templates, user-friendly interfaces, and essential e-commerce features. When selecting your platform, consider your product type and business model. Each platform has its strengths. For instance, WooCommerce integrates seamlessly with WordPress, making it ideal for content-heavy sites. Customize your chosen platform to align with your brand identity. Designing your store. Focus on user experience. A clean layout, easy navigation, and high-quality images can make or break your store. Utilize free design tools like Canva for graphics and Unsplash for stock photos. Remember, your website is the digital face of your business. Focus on mobile optimization, as a significant portion of online shopping is done via mobile devices. Simple, intuitive navigation and fast loading times are non-negotiables for keeping visitors engaged. Product listings and descriptions. Craft compelling product descriptions. Highlight benefits, not just features. Use SEO-friendly keywords to improve searchability. Remember, clarity and honesty build trust. Your products are the stars of your store. Offer a range that's both diverse and focused. Understand your customers' preferences and adjust your offerings based on their feedback and purchasing behavior. Payment and shipping. Set up payment gateways that are popular and trusted. PayPal and Stripe are great options, offering free setups. For shipping, research the most cost-effective methods and clearly communicate shipping policies to your customers. Choose payment gateways that are user-friendly and reliable. For fulfillment, consider drop shipping as a start, which can minimize overhead costs. If this video sparks your entrepreneurial spirit, make sure to subscribe to Financial Fitness Hub for more insights. Join our community of forward-thinking entrepreneurs today. Chapter 2. Zero-cost marketing. Leveraging social media. Social media is your powerhouse. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest can skyrocket your visibility. Create engaging content, interact with your audience, and use targeted hashtags to increase reach. Remember, consistency is key. Develop a social media calendar. Use storytelling to connect with your audience and share behind-the-scenes content to build authenticity. Use analytics tools provided by these platforms to track engagement and adjust your strategy accordingly. Email marketing. Utilize free email marketing tools like MailChimp or Sendinblue. Build your email list from day one. Offer incentives for signups, send regular newsletters, and keep your audience engaged with updates and promotions. Offer value in your emails. Think beyond promotions. Share insights, tips, and stories related to your niche. Segment your email list to send personalized content and offers. Content marketing and SEO. Start a blog related to your niche. Share insights, guides, and stories. Use SEO strategies to improve your site's visibility in search engines. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and Yoast SEO for WordPress can help. Quality content is not just about selling your products. It's about providing value to your audience. Use SEO best practices to ensure your content ranks higher in search engine results, driving organic traffic to your store. Collaborations and influencer partnerships. Reach out for collaborations with influencers and bloggers in your niche. Many are open to barter deals or low-cost promotions. This can be a win-win for both parties, increasing your store's visibility. Engage in online communities related to your niche. Networking can open doors to collaborations and partnerships, further expanding your reach. Chapter 3. Utilizing free tools. Design and creativity. Canva and GIMP offer free design tools perfect for creating website graphics, social media posts, and marketing materials. Explore advanced features of free design tools to create professional-looking visuals. Use templates as a starting point, but customize them to make your brand stand out. Analytics and Insights. Google Analytics is invaluable for understanding your audience and tracking the performance of your store. Use these insights to refine your strategies and improve user experience. Leverage Google Analytics to understand customer behavior on your site, track which pages they visit, how long they stay, and what they click. This data is vital for refining your marketing and product strategies. Customer relationship management. Free CRM tools like HubSpot can help manage customer interactions, store customer information, and track sales processes. A good CRM system can help you track customer interactions, manage leads, and automate parts of your sales process, leading to increased efficiency and better customer relationships. Chapter 4. Customer engagement and feedback. Engaging your audience. Engage with your customers through social media, email newsletters, and your blog. Respond to comments, messages, and emails promptly to build a community around your brand. Host live sessions on social media, run polls, and create interactive content to engage with your audience. This not only builds a relationship, but also gives you direct insights into customer preferences. Gathering feedback. Use free survey tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey to gather customer feedback. This feedback is crucial for continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Encourage customers to leave reviews not just on your site, but also on social media. Respond to feedback, both positive and negative, to show that you value customer input and are committed to improving. After-sale service. Provide exceptional after-sale service. Address issues promptly, thank customers for their purchases, and encourage them to leave reviews. Excellent customer service can be your biggest differentiator. Be proactive in resolving issues and exceed customer expectations whenever possible. This creates loyal customers who are more likely to recommend your store to others. Conclusion: building an online store from scratch with no budget is a journey of passion, creativity, and resilience. By leveraging free resources, engaging with your audience, and continuously learning and adapting, you can turn your e-commerce dreams into reality. Your story is just beginning, and the digital world is your playground. Embrace the challenge and watch as your online store flourishes into a thriving business. If you enjoyed this video, show us some support with a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Financial Fitness Hub for more empowering content. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and let's build financial fitness together.